Hi student, what's going on? I know you all are doing well and you all are staying at your home safely. Today we are going to read a poem from Uni Oxford book, page number 58. Okay, the name of the poem is Sun and Moon. Look at the board, Sun and Moon. And this poem was written by Charlotte Drude Cole. Who wrote this poem? Charlotte Drude Cole. Charlotte. Charlotte Drude. Druitt. Drude. Cole. 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 You have to learn the spelling of Charlotte Drude Cole. And he is the poet of this poem. Now student, I am drawing something. You have to identify the picture. Now identify the picture. This is the picture of a smiling sun. This is the picture of a smiling sun. Now, tell me, what is this? This picture is the moon. M-O-O-N. Now, before going to read the poem, you have to learn about sun and moon. Now, student, look, sun is the big star in our solar system. Sun is the big star in our solar system and it is the source of all energy. It is the source of all energy. So, sun is the big star. You have to remember that sun is the big star in our satellite. And who is moon? Moon is the big satellite or moon is the only satellite. Moon is the only satellite of Earth. Moon is the only satellite of the Earth. So sun is the big star in our solar system and moon is the only satellite of Earth. Okay. Now student, you all know sun rises in the east and sun shades in the west. Now I am going to read the poem. All of you look at your book and listen carefully. The name of the poem is Sun and Moon. Who wrote this poem? Charlotte Drude Cole. The moon shines clear as silver. The moon shines clear as silver. The sun shines bright as gold. Now student, what is the meaning of shines? Shines means gives out a bright light. Shines means gives out a bright light. Bright light. Okay, this is called shines. Now, the moon shines clear as silver. So, in this poem, moon's light is compared as silver. Moon's light is compared as silver. So, moon's light is compared. Moon shines as silver. Remember that moon shines as silver. Moon shines clear as silver. The sun shines bright as gold. And now the sun is compared, sun's light is compared with gold. Sun's light is compared with gold. Now moon's light is clear as silver and sun's light is bright as gold. You have to remember in this poem, moon's light is compared with the silver and sun's light is compared with gold. Now, what is silver? You have to learn the meaning of silver. Silver is a precious, shiny, grayish white metal. Okay, a precious, shiny, grayish white metal. What is the color of a silver? A silver is shiny grayish white color. Shiny grayish white colored metal. Okay. Now what is gold? Gold is also very precious. Gold. Now you all know the color of gold. Gold is a yellow precious metal. A yellow precious metal. Okay. So in this poem, moon's light is as clear as silver and sun's shines bright as gold. Shines means gives out a bright light. Silver means a precious shiny grayish white metal. And gold is a yellow precious metal. Gold is a yellow precious metal. Now look at your book, and both are very lovely. Both are means the sun and moon. The sun and moon are very lovely and very old. Sun and moon are very old. Millions and millions years old. The moon shines clear. I am repeating once again the lines. The moon shines clear as silver. The sun shines bright as gold. And both are very lovely. Both are very lovely. Lovely means they are very beautiful and very old. And they are also very old. They are means sun and moon. This poem is all about the sun and moon. You have to remember that. Now next line, God hung them up as lanterns. So God hung them up as lanterns. We can see sun and moon in the sky. We can see sun and moon in the sky, and they are very high. They are very high. So it is like God hung them up as lanterns. It is like that God hung them up, the sun and moon, as lanterns. Now student, what is lanterns? Lanterns, L-A-N-T-E-R-N-S. Lanterns. Lanterns means light in a container. Lanterns mean light in a container made of glass or paper. Okay, so what is lantern? Lantern is a light in a container made of glass or paper. It is made of glass or paper. Now student, the sun and moon are hanging up as lanterns. Who hung them? God hung them. For all beneath the sky. For all beneath the sky. And we all beneath the sky. Beneath means below. Beneath means below. And we are beneath. B-E-N-E-A-T-H. Beneath means below. And for all beneath the sky. And we all beneath the sky means we all are below the sky or under the sky. And nobody can blow them out. Nobody can blow them out. Nobody means nobody. Blow them out. Blow out means to put out. Blow out means to put out fire or light. Actually, sun and moon are compared as lanterns, and nobody can blow them out. Means nobody cannot put them out. Nobody can put them out or put them out. Now, for they are up too high, because for they are very high. For they are up too high. They are very high. Now I am repeating once again the second stanza. God hung them up as lanterns. Who hung them up? God. And which things? Sun and moon. God hung them up as lanterns for all beneath the sky. For all beneath the sky. And nobody can blow them out. Nobody can blow them out. They means sun and moon. Sun and moon. Nobody can blow them out. Blow out means to put out fire or light, to put out fire or light. For they are up too high. For they are up too high. Sun and moon are very high. Now student, this is the whole poem. I am repeating the poem once again. The moon shines clear as silver. The sun shines bright as gold. And both are very lovely. And both are very lovely and very old. God hung them up as lanterns. God hung them up as lanterns for all beneath the sky, and nobody can blow them out, for they are up too high. For they are up too high. So this is the poem. I think you all have enjoyed the class. That's all for today, and thank you for watching this video.